Joseph.
And I'm Vicky. And you are watching the Never Ever Happy Family.
That's where I go train at, right here. And if y'all not from around here, then y'all don't know. I don't really go there. I'm just playing. Maybe you may catch me walking outside there. Hey, can we walk right here?
What is it?
Walking inside that place.
Hey guys.
Let's go. Let's do this. Walk. You ready? Bye, Jojo, mama. They're gonna get squished. Hello, hello.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, how you doing?
It's not automatic.
Yeah. Look, it's Wonder Woman. Wow. Wow. Dreamstone. There's Wonder Woman through the years.
Throughout the years, you see how they changed.
Yeah. This is how they look.
Throughout the years, her hair was so different. Her hair didn't change much.
Not very much, did it?
I like this one.
Look, Eva, here's your lunchbox. Eva, here's your lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
Is this pretty cool, E? Yeah, that's cool. We like this one. With the little kitty cat. Test your knowledge. You want to test your knowledge of Wonder Woman?
Tap to start. Question 1. Wonder Woman co-starred with Batman in this 2002 graphic novel. In the comic book storyline beginning in Wonder Woman 2919, readers are introduced to a second Amazon tribe called the Birds of Prey. In DC comic books, Priscilla Rich, Debbie Domain, and Sebastian Ballesteros have all gone by the supervillain name.
Cheetah.
The Anti-Monitor?
Cheetah. Yes.
You won, Daddy. I mean, you got one right, babe.
I know my Wonder Woman. And there's Raya on her phone. What'd she say? She got her beat-ups back. She got her beat-ups back.
All right, babe. Ooh, you nice.
the movie script from 2017. Superman, Wonder Woman with the Joker back there. Are you Wonder Woman?
Yeah, I'm be Wonder Woman next year. I'm gonna dress up like the Wonder Woman.
Next year. You want one? You want one?
You wanna get in that and record yourself? Oh, in a minute.
We can do a Wonder Woman tribute on our channel, and they get an autograph of Eva. Eva would sing a song to me. Okay, guys, we came to this free event downtown Dallas. It's the AT&T Discovery Center.
And Wonder Woman.
For a Wonder Woman exhibit. Later on, we're gonna go watch the movie and see what it's all about. I haven't even seen the first one.
What?
We haven't.
You haven't?
I know we haven't. You know, so
Oh my God, you are missing out.
we are missing out on something, I guess. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like, share, and comment.
And subscribe. We hope y'all like the video, and y'all can see all the stuff that
I think stuff that's here is what's been used in the movies, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yep.
So,
Vivid, super cool,
hey, but that's cool though.
Exhibit.
I love fashion. I get to live out my fantasies, tight skirts, and the leggings. All the cheese.
Yeah. Whenever they get haircuts, yeah, they do. Oh, here's the. That's cool. Yeah.
Look at this.
Eli, it looks like you're flying, bro.
Why is it echo in here?
Dang.
The Royal Engineer. Oh.
This is awesome.
That's like you have a microphone.
I know it does, doesn't it?
Hey, Darren.
Whoa, Joseph, watch it.
What happened?
That's one of the iconic things about Bristol is all these coloured terraced houses here. We're going to come up with another group. Let's have a little look.
You see where he was pointing at? Way over here, bro. Hi. Hi, Eli.
We need to do one of these over here when they have it.
I think so too. Check out the new phones. They even got a comic center. That Ninja Turtle's pretty cool. Oh yeah.
Comic
Books. Yeah.
Is this it? This is all of it?
This is before phone. Before phone. This is
You gonna take pictures with the trees yet? Oh, excuse me.
What is this up there?
I think she wanted to be on the camera. Well, guys, that was almost it. Hey, Piggy! Psycho Piggy! You wanna get in the wings? Go get on the wings. Come on, go get on the wings, Mariah.
What do you think?
You want somebody to take a picture? Huh? Tomorrow, probably. I got you in there. I guess we can go in there. There's nothing back over here, I don't think. So we can go figure out what you want to eat. Remember what?
Like last weekend.
We were?
Last weekend, yeah. For Evelyn's birthday.
We didn't come over here. We didn't have time. We didn't have time. Yeah. Come on, Mr. E. Come on, Mr. E. Ew. You thirsty?
I want an icy. I'll buy it.
Okay.
It's like $3.
Tom and Jerry.
So cute.
Coffee, I guess.
Starbucks is over there.
Yeah, Starbucks was at the other corner. But you guys, that was that exhibit. Later, we're gonna go watch the movie like we said.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope you liked it. I mean, it's just little things here and there, you know.
That we do.
We would like to shout out Life of Vic and Mike. We really do appreciate you supporting us and watching our videos. And y'all go ahead and check out their YouTube channel.
That's cool. Y'all on timeout. Sit there. Sit there until I tell y'all to leave. Now let's go. Boys are wild, man. The boys are wild.
I think we're gonna make it.
Maya is blown away. Eli is blowing to the cinder, to the wall. Everyone taking pictures.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.